Welcome back to Nerd Chic. I want to take just a minute to talk about something I find highly interesting. There's these Topps comics that have come out, which is interesting in itself. They're X-Files, and I really like them. So I was going to tell you, if you're an X-Files enthusiast and you've watched it, and you've even watched the video on here I did on how to watch the X-Files straight through to the new series, then you may want to check out these X-Files comics. And I also want to say here, I'm just doing this video real quick. It's a very short video because I've also found the X-Files on Amazon's audio. And so if you've got any of that access, I would suggest getting those books on Audible and listening to them, because it really fills in some blanks and gives you some background that you haven't seen or heard before from the X-Files. So I love these. There's also a couple books you can get that are on the X-Files series, and it just makes it a bigger story, especially with the next couple X-Files series that have already come out, and there may be one or two more that comes out, seasons. You may just want to check them out and watch them. So anyway, this is a great thing. I love the X-Files comics. Really good artwork, and it really fills in some blanks and goes in between some of the storyline of the whole X-Files world. So again, thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic. Hope you guys like this. Give us a little love here. If you haven't seen it already, go watch our video on how to watch the X-Files straight through. We did it a few years ago, right before all the new series and seasons came out. And then check out our website at askthenerd.net, and we've got a subreddit called The Nerdiverse on Reddit. Come join us.